Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's tutorial, I will show you exactly how to create your own custom voice in Elevenlabs in 2025. For that, first of all, you need to come on elevenlabs.io and then you need to simply log in into your account. Once this step is done, you will see this voices option in the left hand section. So if you click on this plus icon, you will see the option of add a new voice. Now over here, rest of the options are for premium members only, but here you will see the voice design option. That is gonna take less than a minute, and it is gonna create a voice for you. So over here you need to click on this option, and you can provide any text for the preview, and you can also give your prompt over here. Basically, instead of your own cloning your own audio over here, you can type the prompt just like so, like an old British male with raspy deep voice and professional. So you can just simply type the prompt over here, then click on the generate voice option. It is going to take some time, and it is going to give you three outputs in front of you. So you can just simply click on each one of these and listen to each one of these. Then you can select which one you actually like. If you don't like the output, you can again click on the generate voices option, and it is again going to give you three responses. So you need to keep on doing the same thing over and over again until you get that particular clean voice which you want 11 labs to give you. So let's say you have selected this particular voice, you liked it so much. So after selecting it, simply click on the select voice option over here. Over here you need to type the name of the voice that you have created, like British man. Afterwards, in the language, you can select any particular language, or you can just simply skip it. If you want to add any labels into it, you can add it, and you can provide the accent and the gender and further details. In the description, I would recommend you to add the description as well, so that you could know which audio is yours. Then click on the save voice option, and this way you will be able to basically create your own voices with the help of 11 labs. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.